This glossary unit provides you with more detailed information on which standards play a role for the development of system and software in the automotive industry. There are certainly other relevant standards. However, we have limited the explanation to 4 standards. Click on the rectangles for more information. ISO 330XX is a standard used for process evaluation in software development. This standard is also known as SPICE and replaced the former ISO 15504. It defines process requirements and the way processes are reviewed. Processes are categorized based on capability levels, which are determined within an assessment. The standard also defines which criteria have to be met in order to reach a certain capability level. By now, there are several variants of this standard for different sectors, for example the automotive industry, space industry, medical engineering. In 2005, the sector-specific standard Automotive SPICE was developed and published by an initiative of the European automotive industry. This standard was derived from the international standard ISO 330XX and focuses on the specific requirements of software development in the automotive industry. More information and details on Automotive SPICE will be provided in this unit. Automotive SPICE is part of the VDA Yellow Print. The ISO 9000 series of standards documents the general principles and measures for quality management in a company. Within an Automotive SPICE assessment, it is often required that suppliers are certified according to ISO 9001. Similar to SPICE, ISO 9001 has a process-oriented structure, but does not include a specific part on software quality. Maturity models are not used. Companies either pass or fail the audit. The standard IATF 16949 contains specific requirements for quality management systems for automotive production and spare part production, and is based on ISO 9001. IATF 16949 can be applied in the complete automotive supply chain. A certification is based on the certification requirements issued by the IATF. The IATF in particular imposes requirements on quality management systems for system and software development. If you want to learn more about interesting topics, visit embedded-academy.com.